Lock your chats with ease. WhatsApp's new feature takes privacy to the next level. In an era where privacy concerns have become increasingly paramount, WhatsApp has once again risen to the occasion by unveiling its groundbreaking chat lock feature. This latest offering not only provides users with an additional layer of security but also empowers them with great control over their sensitive conversations like never before. With the new chat lock feature, WhatsApp users can now fortify their conversations behind a digital fortress. This ensures that only authorized individuals gain access to their private messages. By leveraging cutting-edge encryption technology, this innovative feature effectively shields sensitive conversations from prying eyes, making it a game-changer for privacy-conscious individuals and businesses alike. With ChatLock, locked chats are extracted from the inbox and securely stored in a designated folder. In order to access these chats, stringent security measures are implemented, which require the user to input their device password or utilize biometric authentic methods such as a trusted fingerprint. This feature also discreetly conceals the contents of protected chats, preventing sensitive information from being revealed through intrusive notifications. The underlying objective behind the implementation of the chat lock feature is to address and accommodate the practical scenarios that arise in everyday life. This may include situations wherein individuals often find themselves sharing their smartphones with family members or loved ones, or even they find themselves in circumstances where others may have access to their devices. By incorporating this feature, WhatsApp acknowledges the need for enhanced privacy and security, allowing users to have peace of mind even when their devices are temporarily entrusted to others within their immediate circles. It offers a simple solution to safeguard your private conversations. Activating the lock option is straightforward. Users can simply tap on the name of a one-to-one or group chat and enable the lock. To access these locked chats, users need to pull down on their inbox and enter their phone password or provide authorized biometric authentication when prompted. By diligently investing in research, development, and innovation, WhatsApp aims to go above and beyond on refining and strengthening the safeguarding mechanisms inherent in ChatLock. This would bolster the defense of sensitive conversations and fortify the trust of its vast user base. Among these exciting developments, WhatsApp has recognized the need for individualized security measures. As a result, users will soon have the privilege of creating custom passwords specifically tailored to each unique conversation they engage in. This remarkable advancement empowers users with the freedom to set personalized access codes. These unique passphrases are distinct from their phone's security measures, further enhancing the privacy and security of their chats. By constantly prioritizing and upholding the sanctity of user privacy and security through its exceptional features like ChatLock, WhatsApp remains devoted to upholding its well-earned reputation as a reliable and trustworthy platform. With ongoing advancements and updates, WhatsApp aims to stay at the forefront of digital privacy, empowering users to have complete control of their sensitive conversations. In a time where personal data breaches and privacy violations have become all too common, WhatsApp's ChatLock feature stands as a beacon of hope. It reassures users that their conversations remain private and secure, allowing them to communicate freely without fear of compromise. WhatsApp tirelessly strives to provide unparalleled protection and unimpeachable privacy measures, thereby setting the standard for secure communication in today's fast-paced and ever-evolving digital landscape. The ChatLock feature in particular is a testament to WhatsApp's steadfast commitment to user privacy, providing an additional layer of security that allows users to enjoy the benefits of seamless communication.